Recently, a longtime stylist and currently a fashion editor has written a long post on Instagram denouncing a female idol for insulting her for 20 minutes, including the implicit hashtags psycho and monster. This incident has shocked K-pop. In response to rumors of fans about the targeted female idol, who is Irene of Red Velvet, in the evening of the same day, the leader, born in 1991, officially apologized to the above stylist and those who were affected by her actions. This move is seen as indirectly admitting the mistake, which has shocked the K-pop fan community. Immediately after that, SM Entertainment also updated that Irene had directly come and apologized to the above stylist in person. At the same time, SM also issued a statement of taking responsibility, apologizing to the people who involved, and ensured this incident would not happen again with all individuals and organizations that are working with the company. After Irene's apology was posted, the stylist and fashion editor also deleted her exposing post several hours earlier. But what makes this scandal so serious and caught the attention of the entire K-pop is that there are many famous Korean assistants, stylists, and photographers who have worked with SM artists having pressed like, left comments, exposed more stories as a move to add more fuel to the fire, proving that the victims of this incident are not only one. If you follow K-pop for many years, everyone knows that personality scandal is one of the things that must be kept away from idol, especially female idols. Kness are known for always bringing back idols' mistakes, and Irene's scandal has spread everywhere. Her image is considered to be destroyed at this point. That's why the reaction to Irene is extremely harsh. Even many extreme people, because they are worried that Red Velvet would be affected by Irene, have asked her to leave the group so that the four members could be active again. This is said to be a stain in Irene's career in particular, and Red Velvet in general. Especially with only 2 months left, the latest comeback product with Red Velvet's full 5-member lineup, Psycho, will officially be 1 year old. Since then, Red Velvet has not released any more albums. Only the debut of the subunit Irene and Sugi is not enough to satisfy the fans. After Wendy's recovery, fans thought they would soon see Red Velvet again on stage with 5 members. However, this seems to be more distant than ever after Irene's personality scandal. When will the audience ever see a full stage with all 5 members again?